Vance, this is a market that's in a curious place. We had the post-election run, a bit of a pullback, but now we're trying to make that run back towards record highs again. What does this consolidation tell you about the momentum going into next year?
Going into next year, I'm incredibly bullish. Dom, if you look at the cash buildup on the sidelines, you can go to the St. Louis Federal Reserve webpage, and they run a calculation on money market. There's 6.5 trillion in money market, sitting on the sideline ready to be deployed. Earnings came in strong, very impressive on earnings. So everything's a go as far as the market goes. The HCM byline's positive, the trend's positive. I think investors need to stay fully invested. I think 2025 could be a banner year.
If 2025 is a banner year, what exactly is going to be the leadership there? Over the course of this week, it's been those small cap stocks. Some could say it's a catch-up trade, this broadening out. It maybe has more legs. The Magnificent Seven, not necessarily the ones that are doing a lot of the heavy lifting, but mathematically they have to do the heavy lifting. So how do you reconcile all of that?
Well, I've been talking about small caps all year, and I've been pretty bullish on small caps. Small caps at the beginning of the year were so volatile they were almost untradeable, but I think they're going to they're doing well right now, and the trend's clearly up. But I think small caps are going to continue to do well. Regional banks should do well. I mean, if we get any kind of drop in interest rates, regional banks should start to do well, and you start to broaden out what you're looking at. One asset class, Dom, that seems to be overlooked all the time is convertible bonds. If you look at CWB, the convertible bond trade is breaking out. So if you're looking for more of a fixed income play, even though that interest rates have gone up a little bit organically, not because the Fed hasn't dropped rates, but I think there's going to be a tremendous amount of opportunity in 2025. There's a lot of undervalued sectors out there that still haven't participated in this bull market.
So what are those undervalued sectors, Vance?
Well, again, I would go back to, small caps again, and I'd go back to regional banks. I think both of those are two undervalued sectors. Again, trade the convertible bonds looks very attractive to us also. But individual stocks out there, there's some, it's nice. We were talking about Coinbase. Coinbase is sort of an offshoot to Bitcoin here. They've got a more of a brokerage custodian atmosphere to Coinbase, but they're also getting into payment processing with different Bitcoins. And Bitcoin's been all the rage, as you know. It's almost to the point that it's getting parabolic as far as Bitcoin goes. You need to be a little bit cautious with that trade.